In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine text and image in Affinity Photo. We're going to create that polished, layered look where your text feels integrated with the photo instead of just sitting on top. First, start by duplicating your image layer. This is your safety net. In the Layers panel, select your photo and duplicate it so you have a working copy while the original stays untouched. You can right-click and choose Duplicate, or use the keyboard shortcut if you prefer. If you ever want to compare before and after, toggle the visibility of the duplicate. Keeping things non-destructive will save you time and stress later. Next, add your text. Select the Text tool and click on your canvas to type. Place the text over the part of the image where it will have the most impact and legibility. Make sure the text layer sits above the image layer in the Layers panel. If it doesn't, simply drag it up. Choose a typeface with enough weight to hold up over a photo and adjust size and spacing so it reads clearly at a glance. For color, start with white or black to gauge contrast, then fine-tune. Use the Move tool to nudge the text into a spot that complements the subject rather than covering it. Now it's time to blend the text into the image using layer effects and blend modes. With the text layer selected, click the layer effects icon, the little FX, so you're ready to refine things, then look to the blend mode drop-down in the Layers panel to experiment. Try Overlay first for a punchy, contrast-driven blend that lets highlights and shadows show through your letters. If you want something more subtle and natural, switch to Soft Light. It's gentler and often great for portraits or softer scenes. For a darker ink-like result, choose Multiply, which tints the text with the photo beneath and can feel grounded and print-like. After choosing a blend mode, adjust the text layer's opacity to dial in the effect. Lower opacity softens the interaction and helps readability when the image is busy. Higher opacity increases presence when the background is calm. Watch the edges of your letters. If they disappear, increase opacity or reposition the text over a cleaner area of the image. Small changes make a big difference, so make a quick pass at the overall balance and stop as soon as the text feels integrated but still readable. That's it. Duplicate the image layer, add and place your text, then blend with Overlay, Soft Light, or Multiply, and refine with opacity. Save your file, and you're done.